What if sustainability wasn't something we invented, but something we remembered? At the University of Arizona, Indigenous designers, planners, artists, students, and community members gathered to explore building practices rooted in land, relationship, and responsibility. Not through abstraction, but through touch, through conversation, through material held directly in the hand: clay, water, fiber, earth. The symposium moved between dialogue and practice, connecting Indigenous perspectives on architecture, sustainability, and the built environment with hands-on learning grounded in place-based knowledge. Participants reflected on what it means to build differently, to design with community instead of around it, to see land not as a resource, but as relationship. Across presentations, workshops, and shared discussion, attention shifted away from extraction and toward relationship, with land, materials, community, and one another. Knowledge passed by hand and carried forward through the Indigenous Society of Architecture, Planning, and Design at the University of Arizona.